Look how cute they are. Okay, now we're gonna
my
turn
mom
the camera around. With you holding one.
Oh, can I hold one? Look how cute these little feathers are.
Yeah, look, now she's holding one.
Meow.
Okay, yeah. Look how cute they are.
It's
And they're with their mommy. Winston, stop trying to go with them. I know you want to be a part of their family.
Can I pick up another one?
You girl, you're gonna get addicted.
I'm thinking of this girl. So cute. That would meow. That should be Meowster.
Oh, we should name him Youngster.
Oh, mommy kitty.
Look how cute he is.
Okay, now we're not.
Go.
No, we're not. No, I'm not. Oh, that's dangerous. So I'm gonna jump off of it. Don't push it. Don't even push me. You see that toxic thing? We're running the other way. Yeah, Jake. This is Winston. Winston. And Jake. Yeah, and I'm my besties.
Hold on. We're done.
Yeah, these are the chickens.
These are the cuties.
Do you like these? Oh,
hey, what's that? Stop scaring my baby. My baby.
Don't peck at me, though.
See, and my bestie is filming too.
Yeah.
See.
Nah. Look at the 1 second, guys. Guys, this is
This is
hold on, let me
Mr.
check this is Gray, one of my favorites. See, this is one of my favorites. Gray. Yeah, he's super nice and fluffy. He's just sleepy. So cute. Yeah, guys, I might make a video if I figure out how.